Welcome to video number 252 of Learn and Speak Tamil like a native. In this video, you can learn how to say since, such as since last year there's no development in the city, or since I came I'm quite busy. And this is an important phrase formation you cannot do without. So let's see them in the easiest way. But before we go to the learning, it's important that you see the same words in different phrases and situations. And that's why you can learn from Instagram, you can learn from YouTube short videos, and Telegram group, which is also all free. So put some enjoyable effort and master the language. Wait, have you subscribed? If not, please subscribe so that you'll get notification with every YouTube shorts that we'll try to make often. And do you see videos with different colors? And they're all different subtopics like grammar, conversation, movie dialogues, etc. So please make the best out of them. In this video, we are going to learn the simple phrasing style using since, from the time, or ever since. How can you even speak or understand a language without these basic words? Therefore, these are indispensable words. You can learn it easily. It's actually easy if you watch it a couple of times. Do you know that we have already done a video for from? It'd be useful for you to watch that video as well. It's video number 19. I can give you the link in the description and you'll also find it on the top right. Let us say you wish to say someone has not come for 5 days or since 5 days. We say anjanala. This adding a to what you wish to say as a duration gives the meaning since 5 days. And rendu varsham means 2 years, and rendu varshama means since 2 years. We'll see the next method after this. Rendu varshama na non-veg saapidala. We use the English term non-veg commonly. People also say asaivam, which also means non-veg. Rendu varshama na non-veg saapidala. Just pay attention. This can mean both for 2 years or since 2 years. It could be that you had not eaten for 2 years at some duration in the past, maybe from 2010 to 2012, or it can mean 2 years till now. So this has two interpretations. Rendu varshama na non-veg saapidala. So since or for 2 years I did not eat non-veg at all. So you're eating just vegetable stuffed samosa as in the picture. But if you wish to say it is 2 years since I ate non-veg, that style we'll see in the coming lessons because you will learn too many things and get confused. So one at a time. That's how I learn. Just look at that lady saying, since 5 days I've been staying here only. Anju naala na inga da tangi irukken. Anju naala na inga da tangi irukken. So since 5 days I've been staying here only. And please pay attention to the Tamil script. Anju naala na inga da tangi irukken. But imagine instead of saying 5 days or 3 weeks, etc., you wish to say a specific time, like 3 o'clock, or a specific date, like since 1st of January or the year 2000, etc. We'll see that now. Since the 5th of this month, I'm going to work, or I've been going to work, which means from that time you are now or continuing to work. So it has already started. So we say Anjan Tedila Irundu, from the 5th. So we have the habit of just saying the date if it's the present month. அஞ்சாம் தேதியில இருந்து நான் வேலைக்கு போகிறேன் or போய்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். So look at that dapper. This is probably his first job. அஞ்சாம் தேதியில இருந்து நான் வேலைக்கு போகிறேன் or போய்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். So when you are specific, you generally add ல இருந்து அஞ்சாம் தேதி. You might be wondering why அஞ்சாம் instead of அஞ்சு. That is a style of numbering you have to learn to speak like a native. So remind me in the description and I'll make a video on that as well. Since the year 2010, the office is computerized. 2010ல இருந்து ஆஃபீஸ் கம்ப்யூட்டரைஸ்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு. 2010ல இருந்து ஆஃபீஸ் கம்ப்யூட்டரைஸ்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு. And what is that பண்ணியாச்சு? Okay, you can learn that style of phrasing which is used for the past tenses. You can learn it from the video number. You can see that on top right there. You can click on top. But if you're using since as in the meaning of from, you can use it for present tense and also for the future tense. இன்னையிலிருந்து ஆஃபீஸ் கம்ப்யூட்டரைஸ்ட் ஆயிடும். The office will get computerized from today. The office would get computerized from tomorrow. So நாளையில இருந்து ஆஃபீஸ் computerized ஆயிடும். So because today and tomorrow or even next month is a defined period. Now let us make phrases using since to mention a start of action or an occurrence. அவனை வேலையை விட்டு தூக்குனதுல இருந்து ஒரே பிரச்சனை தான். So just imagine this guy is connected to some big shot and since he was fired or from the time he was fired, he's giving a lot of legal troubles. வேலையில இருந்து தூக்க or வேலையை விட்டு தூக்க means to fire someone in spoken colloquial language. அவனை வேலையை விட்டு தூக்குனதுல இருந்து ஒரே பிரச்சனை தான், which means ever since he was fired there's a lot of issues or problems in the company. மழை பெஞ்சு நின்னதுல இருந்து from the time it stopped raining ஒரே குளு குளுன்னு இருக்கு. It's really chilly. So we use this gulu gulunnu irukku meaning it is pleasantly cold, enjoyable cold, not the biting cold. And to talk about from or an unspecified time or period in the future, such as in 3 years or 4 years time, we'll start this project. Such a style we'll see in another lesson. Until then, bye-bye.